Gen 3, Glock 21, 45 ACP. Big bore, large frame, perfection. But I wanted something a little more custom. So I made myself another one. And as much as I loved it, I said, man, I'd really love to have a long slide. So I built myself a long slide. 6-inch barrel, 45 ACP, Glock 21. Then I decided maybe I should have something that's a little easier to conceal. So I built a Glock 19. But it can, every once in a while, get a little too jumpy at that short barrel, while it is very easy to conceal. So I made myself another Glock 19. Only this one's got a ported barrel. Keep that muzzle rise down. Keep your return shot time down. Make it that much better. But with that short barrel, short slide, you cut down on your ability for the longer shot. So I had to make myself a nice long slide. 6-inch barrel, 9mm. Because that's just pretty right there. But with the ability to take a little bit longer shot, you also need the ability to get a little bit better aim on that longer shot. Make sure you got a better chance of hitting where you target. And that's great anytime you gotta go after something in the daytime. But sometimes you gotta go out at night. And when you go out at night, you want to make sure that you're good and hidden. So you put an infrared laser with an infrared dot. You throw on some night vision, and you go out and you take care of what you got to take care of before anybody even knows you're there. Great for keeping foxes out of chicken house. But what happens when you gotta keep a big fox out of the house? You break out the 50. Because sometimes you just need a real big hole. And that 50 right there, that makes a big hole. Glock 21, 50 GI. Some people tell me that I have a problem and I need help. But I think they're wrong. I don't think there's any such thing as too many Glocks, too many guns of any kind. I don't think I have a problem and I need help. Well, maybe I do. I have a problem. I need a Glock 30. Happy Glocktober. Thank you for joining us, Dogg. I'm T.H.C. the High Caliber.